having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. Now before we dive in to this very exciting video, I do just want to point out the obvious in that it is currently about 25 degrees. I am melting a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, so I do apologise if I look like a disco ball by the end of the video, but we're here, we're striving through, and I'm just so excited for today's video that I couldn't wait and hold off filming this for another week, so we're doing it today, so pray for me. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing and unboxing the new collaboration with Doc Martens. Now, I have been rather good, I would say, in terms of my Doc Martens purchasing. I've held off a little bit, which was quite good for me because there are a few pairs still on my wish list, I'm not gonna lie. But the last pair I bought I think was probably about 3 months ago, 2 or 3 months ago, and I bought some sandals and I said to myself, no more. However, Doc Martens released a collaboration with Warner Brothers and these 3 pairs of shoes instantly got in my basket and I purchased them straight away. I do think that 2 out of 3 are possibly sold out in my size now. I will double check, but I am beyond excited. I haven't even opened the box. The box is still next to me, taped up, and I'm so excited to unbox these with you guys. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy. Grab yourselves a snack and an ice drink because it's absolutely boiling, and carry on watching. I feel like I don't even know where to start, so I am just going to pick them out at random. We have 3 pairs to go through today. I am so excited. I think I'm going to do my least excited first because the other 2 pairs I love equally, but this pair is probably my least favourite, but still I love them, if that makes sense. So we're going to dive in with those first. So this is what the first box looks like. It's a black box with a kind of burnt orangey brown design on it, and opening it up I feel like will give away what one this is in collaboration with. So the first pair is in collaboration with the Goonies. If you've not seen the Goonies, you definitely need to give it a watch. It's an absolute classic movie that I feel like everyone needs to see once in their life. So yeah, this is what the first box looks like. Let's dive into the shoes and see what they look like. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what the pair of boots looks like. The other 2 in this collaboration are both shoes, however these are the boots. On the back it says never say die, and the kind of design of the shoes is a collage of skulls, I suppose, and it has Goonies kind of embellished in the sides, and it has some charms on the front. These are so cool, so cool, and I will go through the pricing 1 second. So going off the website, the official name for these boots are the 1460 Warner Brothers Goonie leather boots, and they were £159. I will say that looking on the website now, the only sizes they have left is 9, 9.5, 10, 11 and 12. So a lot of them have sold out, so I was very lucky to have ordered these when I did. I believe as I'm filming this they came out 2 days ago, so I did order them on the day of release because every time I want a collection I leave it until payday or I leave it until a few days later, and they're always sold out. So I set an alarm that morning and I was like, I am ordering these as soon as I wake up. So yeah, these are the first pair. I absolutely love them. They are so beautiful, and the detail of these shoes is just, they're so cool. So yeah, this is the first pair, the Goonie boots. I am in love. They are my least favourite in terms of the films that these are set off of, but the detail on these is just stunning. So yeah, that's the first pair. Absolutely obsessed with them. So the second box is this one. Now I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to guess what film this is from, but this is the second box. It's a black box with green design this time and loads of Beatles all over it. So maybe you guys can guess what film this is from. And opening it up, this is what the inside looks like. How cool is that? Okay, so these are obviously Beetlejuice inspired shoes. I am so excited for these. I absolutely loved these. They have so much design on them. I cannot wait to show you. So I'm going to dive right in and show you what these ones look like because I can't wait any longer, to be honest. So this is the second pair. These are obviously Beetlejuice inspired, and I absolutely love the attention to detail on these shoes. So not only does it have the purple lining around the edge, it also has this kind of checkerboard, I don't know if it's still checkerboard, what's the kind of term? I can't remember, but it has that kind of pattern laces, and the eyelets are also in that same colour, which I love. You have baby Winona Ryder or Alyssa on the top, and you have Beetlejuice on the other one. The design of these shoes is absolutely stunning. I cannot get over them. They're so cool and so different, and I feel like I will never want to wear these shoes because they are definitely a collectible item, I feel, and I just absolutely love them. The only thing I feel like they could have done is change the colour of the actual Doc Martens label, which I know that some people are never fond of, but I have got a few pairs that have a different colour label, and I think if these were like, if this was green or like purple, it would have looked really cool. But nonetheless, I absolutely love these shoes so much. They are so just so cool. So I will go through the name and the price of those. So the official name for these are the 1461 Warner Brothers Beetlejuice leather shoes, and these were £129. And as I'm filming this, the sizes they have left are sizes 9, 9.5, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So if you are any of those sizes, do go and have a look. I'm not sure when this will be going up though, so I do apologise if they've sold out, but I am obsessed with these shoes. I'm in love with these shoes. These are just incredible. So I'm so glad I bought these. They are stunning and I love them. So yeah, that is the second pair. Obsessed. And last but not least is my favourite out of the collection, and this was the pair that I was originally only going to purchase, and I feel like the reason I bought all three is my dad's fault, because my dad was like, you're just going to have to buy them all. So I bought them all. I feel like if I've got his approval on buying this many shoes, then it's absolutely fine. But this is the third pair and my favourite pair. Are you guys ready? So this is obviously a black box again with the red detailing this time. I am so excited to look inside. I haven't even peeked, so I'm so excited. So let's see what the design is in this one. Oh, it's just so cool. I love it. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, The Lost Boys is one of my all-time favourite movies. It's an absolute classic. Like, look at the tissue paper. I am so excited. Okay, so yeah, anyway, The Lost Boys is one of my all-time favourite movies. I am a vampire film girl at heart. Like, before Twilight, before all of that, like, The Lost Boys is a classic. If you have not seen it, it's absolutely brilliant. I will say it's quite gory, but it's like 80s gory, so it's not necessarily very realistic, if you know what I mean, but it is such a good movie, and it's been my favourite film for a very long time, and I think I watched it when I was probably too young to watch it, but I absolutely love it. So yeah, if you haven't seen The Lost Boys, if you haven't seen any of these films, watch them, but The Lost Boys is my favourite. I can't wait any longer. I'm gonna have to open this box because I'm just so excited. Okay, let's open it. His face is on the tissue paper. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, hang on. I have to show you the tissue paper before I even look at the shoe. I'm just going to hide it behind myself. Look at this. How cool is that? Oh, that's so fun. I love that. Okay, anyway, I'm getting very excited over just the tissue paper. I haven't even looked at the shoe. I'm so excited. Okay, are you guys ready? Oh, I love it. Oh my god, they are so cute. So obviously the other shoe says boys on it, so you've got Lost Boys on the shoes. You have this like vampire fang sort of pin on the actual laces. The laces are red. I feel like I wish they did the buttons, like the eyelets, red, but that's just, again, me being picky if I were to do it myself, and obviously I wish the tag was red too. But these are, I've just seen the tongue of these shoes. They have fangs on. I'm in love. Like, these are perfection. I cannot. I also just looked inside this shoe, and I've noticed that the inside is like pictured as well, and I feel like that is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I cannot get over these. These are the coolest shoes I've ever seen. Do you know what I feel like would have been cool if they were the quads? I feel like that would have been really, really sick, but I'm over the moon. Like, these are beautiful. Let me get the name and price of these ones up as well, because obviously if you guys want to purchase them, you're going to need to know. The official name and price for these shoes are the 1461 Warner Brothers Lost Boy leather shoes. I feel like the names of these are just kind of standard names, but size wise, unfortunately, all they have left is 9, 9.5, 10, 11, 12 and 13, but these are absolutely stunning. I'm over the moon with these shoes. I absolutely love it. I've also just noticed it's got like this like trim around the edge, and it has these sort of studs on the back. Do you know what? These are perfection. I take back everything I've said. These are just perfection. So I'm obsessed. I can't cope. I'm obsessed. So that is everything for the Doc Martens collaboration with Warner Brothers. I am absolutely in awe at these shoes. I am so in love with them all, and I am a little bit nervous that they will be releasing more shoes in the 80s movie range, because I feel like I'm going to have to buy them all. The 80s sort of films are my favourite, so if they start releasing like Pretty in Pink and like The Breakfast Club and stuff, like I'm just going to have a meltdown. But these are amazing. My favourite has to be the Lost Boys ones. I am a little bit biased. It's my favourite movie, but the attention to detail on that shoe is just perfection. But I would love to know down below which of the three are your favourites, and also did you guys manage to pick up any of the collection, or if you didn't, which ones did you wish you got? I would love to know. Also, if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, as we are on our way to 10,000 subscribers, and I would love to hit that this year. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. So that's everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Obviously, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment down below, because it really helps kind of spread the video about and help the algorithm of YouTube, which I still don't understand. But anyway, leave me a comment, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!